Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into the fascinating world of GitHub and explore how it shapes the way developers work, collaborate, and innovate. So let's jump right in. You might be familiar with GitHub as a platform where developers store and share their code, right? But it's so much more than that. It's a whole ecosystem designed to support open source development and foster collaboration among developers around the globe. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. It's essentially like having a coding buddy who offers suggestions and helps you write better code with AI. Imagine you're in the middle of a project, hitting a wall with a complex function. Instead of racking your brain for hours, Copilot steps in, suggesting lines of code or even entire functions. Isn't that incredible? But what about security? That's a huge concern these days. GitHub has incorporated tools specifically to identify and fix vulnerabilities. Picture this. You've crafted your masterpiece of code, and then suddenly you discover there's a loophole that could be exploited. GitHub's security features help developers address those issues before they can be a problem. And speaking of automating workflows, have you heard of GitHub Actions? It basically allows you to create workflows right within your repository. Think of it as setting up your own assembly line for code, where certain tasks get triggered automatically. This kind of automation not only saves time, but also helps in maintaining consistency across different projects. Now let's switch gears to the community aspects of GitHub. The Discussions feature transforms how developers interact, fostering a collaborative environment outside the realm of just coding. You can brainstorm ideas, ask for help, or simply connect with other developers. It's like a virtual coffee break where you can share insights and learn from each other. Also, is anyone else excited about GitHub sponsors? It allows developers to fund open source contributors directly. Imagine supporting someone whose work you admire, and in return, getting access to their expertise and projects. Now, as we wrap up this exploration of GitHub's rich features, let's reflect. Whether it's using AI to code more effectively, enhancing project workflows, or building an engaged community, GitHub is making powerful strides in how we develop software. So here's a thought for you. How do you think these tools will shape the future of software development? Something to ponder as we continue to navigate this tech landscape. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time on Tech Talk Today as we continue exploring the technology that's transforming our world.